Hello again. I'd like to start with the superhero set. The most popular is probably a tie between the Batman and the Spider-Man, so let's start with the Batman. Take a medium brush, load it up with yellow. You're going to draw an oval. Fill it in. And you're going to take your detail brush, load it up with black. At the very top center of your oval, draw a little arrow. Straight down from the center of that, draw a line. Two dots on either side. Connect them with the curved line. Down from the top, another curved line. Same thing on the other side. Dot in the center, dot in the center. From the bottom, curve, connect. Same thing, curve, connect. Do that on the other side. Curve, connect, curve, connect. Then we're going to fill all of the body in. If you need to, you can sharpen some of these points, make them tidier. And to finish it off, we're going to beef up the head a little bit. So you can take this line and fatten it. Do the same on this side. And there you go, Batman.